So allow me to ask you a question. How would you like to earn money online simply by watching videos on your smartphone or computer? This is very simple for beginners, and you can get paid on a daily basis. And you don't need any prior experience to do so. So take a look at how much money you can make using today's method. You can earn $30 by watching 15 videos online. You can earn $90 for watching 4 to 5 videos. In addition, if you watch 100 videos per day, you can easily earn $200. And, of course, you can keep doing this indefinitely. And the best part about this method today is that it is completely free. You do not have to pay anything. And you don't even need a credit card to do it. And because this is available worldwide, you can start making money online by watching videos from anywhere in the world. So make sure to watch this video all the way to the end because I'll share a few bonus tips with you. Okay, so bonus tip number 1. I'll show you how to quickly earn an extra $500 to $700, and you can withdraw your money within 24 hours. And in bonus tip number 2, I'll show you how to create multiple streams of passive income from just one app, as well as how to get free bonus money up to $200. Finally, I'm going to show you how to earn 3 times more money than other people without doing any extra work. This is my new top secret technique, and I've never shared anything with anyone else before. So with that said, make sure you watch the entire video until the end. Don't skip any steps. And after you've finished watching this video, I'll show you how to get your first $200 online. But first, welcome to Money Intelligence, where we show you how to make money online in the simplest way possible. Please subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on future videos. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime we release a new video on how to make money online, you will be the first to know and you will be able to start making things happen right away. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Please don't be shy about leaving a comment down below if you have any concerns, questions, or thoughts regarding the video. Let's get back to the video now, shall we now? Now I'd like you to look at this video where you can earn $2 just by watching it. In addition, you can watch other videos on this brand new website on your phone or computer. First and foremost, I want you to go to gg2u.org. You can earn money here by taking surveys, playing games, and watching videos. In this video, we'll concentrate on watching videos, because it is very simple and easy to do, and anyone can do it. The best part about this website is that you can get $1 just for signing up. So all you have to do is enter your first name, email address, username, and password. For the country section, when you click on the down arrow, you can see that they accept people from all over the world. So it doesn't matter if you're from the United States, Australia, Canada, Nigeria, India, or Pakistan, you can still make money online because this is a global opportunity. Once you've finished filling out the form, just click on this right here and click on Sign Up for GG2U, and this is where you can get $1 for free by creating a free account. This is one of my favorite sites because you can get paid every day through PayPal or receive free gift cards. So if you're coming from different parts of the world, you have other options for receiving your money. In fact, leave a comment below and tell me what kind of payment method you prefer in your country. As a result, this website provides numerous opportunities for you to watch various videos online while earning money. If you look at this website, they offer a very, very high rate of 65 to 85% compared to other websites that only offer 40 to 60%. Once you've completed the sign-up process for this website, you'll be able to see their welcome page, where you'll see that they are a very high-paying source for survey routers and also offer wall offers where you can watch videos. They also offer payout rates ranging from 65 to 85%. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's return to the video. They will credit you $1 for every 100 coins, as shown here. They will now pay your coins on this website, and for every 100 coins, you will be able to exchange them for actual money. Furthermore, once you reach $7, you can begin withdrawing funds from your PayPal account. Alternatively, you can receive gift cards. So, as you scroll down below, you can simply click on this link to continue right here. Following that, you can see this page right here where it says to get started earning. Here are some very simple things to do. As you can see, they will give you this amount of coins for this offer. Now, if you scroll down below, you can see more of these offers that are available on this website. Of course, you can do all of these offers, create multiple streams of income, and make a lot of money online. But once again, we'll concentrate on watching videos. So if you want to make money by watching videos like this, keep watching and following my instructions in this video. I want you to scroll all the way to the bottom of this website right now. And there's a note that says some of these deals are only available for a limited time. As a result, try to complete them as soon as possible. So if you want to earn some extra cash, make sure to complete these offers as soon as possible. Now I want you to click on this, and when I'm finished with this page, you'll be taken to your account. This is my dashboard, as you can see. And as you can see, they just gave me $1 after I signed up for a free account, and once I get $7, I can start cashing out my money. So keep in mind that you must earn $7 before you can cash out your earnings. When I scroll down, you can see that there are many companies and offers that I can do. OfferToro, AdGate Media, Peanut Labs, and AdGem, for example. These are all well-known companies that will provide you with special offers, such as surveys, app downloads, or even video watching. You can click on any of these companies and complete the offers to make money online. I'm going to show you one of the examples right now. So if you click on Ads and Media, you'll be taken to this page where you can do other different offers to earn money online, such as surveys, free trials, and downloading mobile apps. Now, if you want to make money by watching videos, simply click on this video button right here. You will then be directed to this page where it says Autoplay Videos, and you will notice that for every 200 video points earned, you will receive silver tokens, which will add $1 to $3 to your account balance. So you earn about $1 to $3 for each video. As a result, you can earn about $2 per video on average. Now, as you scroll down, you can see that you can earn video points by completing any of the offers below. You can start earning money online by watching videos about food, viral videos, or chillax videos. For example, if you scroll down below, you'll see that there are a plethora of videos that you can watch to earn money online. When you click on Load More Offers, you'll notice that there are even more videos you can watch to make money online. So let me show you one of the examples right now. If you click on this orange button right here, you'll be taken to this page. And it is here that you can begin watching videos and earning money online. You can also earn $1 to $2 per video by watching them. And this is a fantastic opportunity. Right now, I'll show you a few bonus tips for making more money online. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this Gear Settings button right here. And I want you to go ahead and select the lowest setting, 240p. I want you to choose the lowest setting because if you are watching on your phone or computer, the best way to make the most money is to go ahead and click on multiple videos and multiple channels and watch them all at the same time. Because doing so can help you triple or even quadruple your money. And that will eat up a lot of your internet bandwidth. As a result, selecting the lowest setting is a very good choice for you. You can now select and watch other videos by looking to the right side of this page. And this is where you can earn bonus money for $2 or $3 per video if you watch all of the videos until the end. As a result, you can receive the point and convert it into real money. Okay, here's another bonus tip for you. You can view their other videos by clicking on this arrow button right here. And for example, you can watch this one right here. There's even more over here. This is video number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You can earn more money online for every video you watch. And, of course, you can watch this on your phone. You can watch it on your iPhone or your Android phone. Now, leave a comment below and tell me what kind of phone you use to watch this video. Because you can do it for free on your phone or on your computer. After you've finished watching the videos, you can proceed by clicking the next button right here. You can also see that there are 9 bonus videos to watch. So just keep watching your videos again and again. You can also make a lot of money online. That's the end of it. Before we leave, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Please hit the like button, and I'll see you in the following videos.